All right, everyone, this is Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia, and here we are in Silver Creek, New York. This is the second long form video of the day, and we're going to put a bunch of short videos out there as well. So we have the first module of this home craned on already, and the second module of this home is getting backed onto the site as far as he can possibly get it with the truck here. And if they need to get it further, they have a machine over there to use to pull it further back to where it needs to be so that the crane can latch onto it and swing it onto its foundation. So this is an open floor plan. You can see the fireplace in here. Really nice house.
Yeah.
And we've got a lot of crew here today. See all the vehicles all the way down the road. And it's a real muddy site here because it just got above freezing. So everything melted, and you can see how muddy it is here, what these guys got to work in. This is not an easy job, but they make it look easy. So he's going to get it as far over there as he can, right onto the site. Look at that. So he's right on the edge of the road, so they're looking really good here. And the crane is way up there today. Pretty big house. Spinning some tires, getting it back a little further. And this one will be ready to wrap around with the crane and lift on up. So pretty amazing. So stay tuned for the next video. So we're gonna get the full second module crane on here, and you get to see what this is like. And had to of course get it far enough back because of these wires up here that we have to avoid. So that's going to be a big deal for the crane to kind of wrap onto this thing and shimmy it this way and get it out from under that wire the rest of the way to make sure nothing gets hit. So this is a super intricate job. It looks like grunt work, but these guys are geniuses behind what they do. So stay tuned, watch the next video, and we'll swing this one through the air and set it onto its full 8-foot basement foundation.